Top 10 hair care tips everyone should know. Hi beauties! Whether you're aiming for silky smooth strands or bouncy voluminous curls, one thing is for sure, healthy hair is always in style. In today's video, we'll share the top 10 hair care tips everyone should know to keep your locks looking their absolute best. These tips are simple, practical, and easy to fit into your everyday routine, so let's dive straight in. The first step to great hair care is understanding your unique hair type. Whether it's straight, wavy, curly, or coily, knowing this will help you tailor your routine. For example, wavy and curly hair tends to need more moisture, while straight hair may require lighter products to avoid weighing it down. Take a moment to analyze your hair type. You'll thank yourself later. The products you use make a huge difference. Picking the right shampoo and conditioner suited for your hair type is key. If you deal with dry hair, go for moisturizing options packed with nourishing oils like argan or coconut oil. For oily hair, lightweight and clarifying shampoos work wonders. Avoid products loaded with harsh chemicals like sulfates or parabens, as they can damage your hair over time. Overwashing can strip your scalp of its natural oils, leaving your hair dry and brittle. How often should you wash? Well, it depends on your hair type. Oily hair might need washing every other day, while dry or textured hair could thrive with just 1-2 washes a week. Strike the right balance and let your natural oils do their magic. It's not just about how often, you also need to wash your hair the right way. Use lukewarm water instead of hot to prevent drying out your scalp and hair. When applying shampoo, focus on your scalp to cleanse impurities, and when conditioning, apply it only to your mid-lengths and ends to avoid greasiness. Trust me, these small changes matter. Have you been rubbing your hair dry with a towel? Stop right now. This can cause frizz and breakage. Instead, gently pat your hair with a microfiber towel or an old cotton t-shirt. If air drying your hair is an option, even better, your strands will thank you. Heat styling tools like straighteners, curlers, and blow dryers may give you gorgeous styles, but can significantly damage your hair in the long run. Limit their use whenever you can. On days you do need heat tools, always use a heat protectant first. This creates a shield between the heat and your hair, reducing damage. Irregular trims are the secret to keeping your hair looking fresh and healthy. Trimming every 6 to 8 weeks eliminates split ends and stops them from traveling upwards, which can make your hair look dull and frayed. Plus, it's a great excuse to treat yourself to a little salon TLC. Just like your skin, your hair can get damaged by the sun. UV rays can lead to dryness, discoloration, and weakened strands. Protect your hair by wearing hats or scarves when you're out in the sun for long periods. You can also look for hair products with built-in UV protection to keep your locks safe. Did you know hydration affects your hair just as much as your skin? Drinking enough water helps improve scalp health and keeps your hair stronger from the inside out. Aim for that 8 glasses a day target. You'll notice the difference. Healthy hair starts from within. Vitamins and nutrients like biotin, vitamin E, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids are essential for strong, shiny hair. Incorporate foods like eggs, fish, nuts, spinach, and avocados into your diet. A balanced diet is truly a game changer for those luscious locks. Tangled hair? Be gentle while detangling to avoid breaking your strands. Always use a wide-toothed comb and start detangling from the ends, gradually working your way up to the roots. This is especially crucial for curly or textured hair to maintain its natural shape. Surprise! Your pillowcase could be working against your hair. Cotton pillowcases create friction and can lead to breakage and frizz. Switch to silk or satin pillowcases for smoother, healthier hair and fewer tangles when you wake up. Beauty rest just got better. When it comes to hairstyling, less is often more. Using too many products can weigh down your hair and cause buildup on your scalp. Stick to the essentials like a leave-in conditioner, a styling product, or a lightweight volumizer if needed. Simplicity is key. Looking for some DIY inspiration? Try these quick and natural remedies. 1. Avocado hair mask. Mix mashed avocado with olive oil and apply it to your hair for deep hydration. 2. Yogurt and honey treatment. Combine yogurt and honey to restore shine and moisture to dull hair. Both remedies are simple, natural, and budget-friendly. Give them a shot. Have you ever heard cutting your hair makes it grow faster? Well, that's a myth. Trimming your hair regularly improves how it looks, but doesn't affect the speed of hair growth. Here's the truth. Hair growth starts at the scalp, so focus on keeping your scalp healthy instead. Your scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. Pay attention to any redness, itchiness, or dandruff. Use a gentle scalp scrub occasionally to remove buildup and encourage circulation. Healthy scalp equals sign healthy hair. Are you still using tight elastics or metal clips? These can cause unnecessary tension and damage. Opt for gentler options like scrunchies or claw clips, which are much kinder to your hair. Hair oils are a must-have. Hair oil products from Rosemary can help seal moisture, reduce frizz, and add shine. Apply a small amount to the ends of your hair after styling, or use it as a pre-wash treatment for deeper conditioning. If your hair is damaged from heat or coloring, don't expect a miracle overnight. Recovery takes time and consistent care. Stick to healthy habits and you'll see gradual improvements. Remember, good things come to those who wait. Let's sum things up. We explored everything from washing habits and hydration to the importance of trims and protection from heat and sun. Whether it's small changes like switching your pillowcase or bigger decisions like embracing fewer heat styles, these tips can have a transformative effect on your hair's health. Now it's your turn. Share your favorite hair care tips in the comments below, or let me know which one you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty content. Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to healthy, shiny, and happy hair. See you in the next video.